guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful cream tart that I'm gonna put out the videos and the photos to show you because I'm afraid I'm gonna ruin it showing it like this. And it's very easy. I have to say it was very fun to make because you can decorate it as you like. So you can put like a theme or chocolate or fruit. I choose fruit and berries. And I made her eat like Elizabeth, my daughter, if you don't know who she is, and a little heart, but you can do a number, a letter, multiple letters, whatever you want. So as always, if you like this video, please put a like down here and leave a comment, and I'm just gonna show you how I made it, and I'll see you soon with another video. Bye! I'm starting from the beginning to show you how I made the mold that I'm gonna use to make my letter. In this case it's an E. So I took a poster board and I drew with a ruler and a square the E of Elizabeth, but you can choose a number or another letter, or you can just print out from Google the letter that you want if you don't want to do it at home. And then I cut it out and did the same thing with a heart and made a hole in the middle of it. So what I did the day before, I made a thing called pasta frolla in Italian, which is a shortbread. I'm gonna leave you the recipe in the box down below. It's very easy. You can mix everything in the KitchenAid and you have to let it rest a night in the fridge because then it won't deform when you bake it. I'm gonna flatten it and put it on a parchment paper and put it on the pan before cutting out the letters, so that will help the letter stay in shape because then I won't have to move it too much. And here I'm showing you how thick I make the dough. It has to be pretty thick, pretty much like a finger, because you don't want it to break once you put all the cake together. Another suggestion I can give you, I made the edges a little more round rather than just plain square because it will look definitely better. And with the help of a knife before baking it, I just smooth in all the edges so it will look more clean and nice. So I'm gonna bake it in the oven at 360 Fahrenheit for at least 20 minutes, but you'll see when it's more like a gold brown color. The same way I'll make another E, and the same way again I'll make two of the hearts that I'm showing you right now, because every part has to have two different layers and you have to bake everything at the same temperature, but obviously the hearts being smaller, they will bake in less time. I would say pretty much 15 minutes, but you should always check your oven because every oven is different. While everything is baking, I'm gonna make the mascarpone cream that I'm gonna use to fill the cake. I'm gonna put 80 grams of powdered sugar, 120 grams of heavy cream, 1 egg yolk, and 200 grams of mascarpone cheese in my KitchenAid with the whisk. I'm gonna mix everything together for at least 5 minutes, but probably more like 7 or 8. One more suggestion I can give you, the bowl of the KitchenAid has to be very cold because that will help the whole thing whip faster. You have to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence and a pinch of salt too, because it will give a nice flavor to your mascarpone cream. You let everything whip like you see in the video, and then you put it on the side in the fridge while all the dough parts are gonna cool down. They have to be very cool. You cannot use it warm. In the meantime, here I'm showing you all the things that I decided to decorate my cream tart with, but obviously you can choose whatever you want. I got these edible flowers that are very cute, then these sprinkles that are gold or silver, And the day before I made these little meringues that I colored light blue, and I choose as a main theme, I choose these berries and strawberries that you see here. And before starting decorating the cake, what I do is I wash all the fruit and already cut it in pieces, so when it's time to decorate it, I don't have to waste more time. Everything is ready. I can just like place it on the tart. At the food store, I found this dragon fruit and I thought it was gonna look very cute on my cake. It will look a little bit more exotic. So what I do here is I show you how to cut it and how to peel it in case you wanna just like cut it in little slices or little squares. What I do is I use this instrument that I'm not sure how you call. It makes like little balls out of vegetables and fruit. And I'm gonna make these little balls out of the dragon fruit. And at the food store, I found these macaroons that were already made, so I didn't make the macaroons. So let's start with decorating our cream tart. I take a little of the mascarpone cream and I'm gonna place it under my first ladder so it will stay in place on the cake board. And with the mascarpone cream, I'm gonna make all little dots. Try to make them all of the same size and go straight and make them look nice, even if it takes a little bit more time. I'm gonna place the second ladder on top of the little dots upside down so that the flat part will look up. I'm gonna push a little bit so everything is on the same level, and I'm gonna again take my mascarpone cream and do other dots on top of the second layer of dough. And here you have to take a little bit more time to be even more precise, because this is the side that everybody will see. And I'm gonna do the same thing with my little heart that I'm gonna put next to my E. And now the fun part begins. You have to decorate. Here I'm showing you all the process it took me to decorate it, because I wanted to show you how I did it. But if you're not interested, you can just skip at the end of the video where I give you more suggestions. Here you can see I'm using those sprinkles, the gold and silver ones, to add a little final sprinkled touch to the cake, and it looks very good. But if I can give you one suggestion that I noted after an hour I made the cake, being sugar sprinkles, when they were touching the fruit, which is watery and obviously not dry, they started melting. So at the end the effect was different than the effect you see here in the video. I'm adding a little photos at the end so you can see what I'm talking about. The effect is very nice, but if you're not looking for that, I wouldn't suggest you to use the sprinkles. And that's the recipe. I really hope you enjoy it. Please, if you make it using my recipe, tag me on the photos either on Instagram or Facebook. I would love to see your creation. And again, if you like this video, please put a like, and I'll see you very soon with a new video. Bye, thanks for watching.